here after 5 hours, almost 6 hours. It's a room called Evergreen Hill. This is it's 700 including breakfast, and from our room we can see big Buddha over there, a golden, which is must be really big if you can see it from here. And it's about to rain, so not sure if there's anything for us to be able to do today. But the room is quite nice overall. When we arrived, there were like a really strong wind, and some vase just like fell off. Okay, and yeah, it's rained really hard. Just really grateful to like actually have arrived before, like if we were in those roads, which is horrendous, on the hill, and was still and got caught in the rain as well, would be really dangerous. But yeah, great that we made a decision to push, and here we are. We're gonna rest, go find something to eat, and then let's see anything to do tonight at all. Buy room get ฝรั่งฟรี จองห้องนี้นะคะแถมฝรั่ง1คนนะคะ import from England นะคะโอเคตอนนี้นะเราก็ถึง arriving at สังขบุรีเราก็เขาบอกว่ามี walking street ก็คือเหมือนตลาดแหละตลาดเปิดเนาะก็คือตลาดเราก็เดินดูว่ามีอะไรกินก็ของก็บ้านเราแหละไม่ได้มีอะไรที่แบบว่าแตกต่างนะแมงดารู้จักไหมอ่ะแมงดาI don't remember the English word. Horse.
It's a crab.
Horseshoe.
Yeah.
Horseshoe crab. I think yeah. แต่ว่า we only eat their eggs. อร่อยด้วย
Well, she's selling the whole fucking thing.
Okay, so when we rode here, there's like people doing look like shabu, a really big pot of shabu, right?
Yeah, I did
like they gather, and that's okay. We're gonna walk you to it.
She's worried that it's dog meat.
No,
She thinks it's dog meat.
I hope not,
It's not
but
gonna be.
you don't know that.
It's illegal in Thailand.
But we're almost not in Thailand.
We're still in Thailand. And it's not like
Samosa, ma?
and it's not like potato here.
Okay, here. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, look. Oh, so it's like all kind of pork. It's Burmese dish. So yeah, so look. See? Like that.
บาททุกไม้จ้าเป็นหมูแดงข้างในหมูจ้า
ไม้เท่าไหร่นะคะ
บาทเดียวจ้า
Yeah? 1 baht per 1 stick. 1 baht. So after you finish, then they're gonna count. พอกินเท่าไหร่ก็จ่ายเท่านั้นนะคะ ก็เป็นแบบว่าไม้ละ
แม่ยำสปาเกตตี้นะคะได้ยัง
ไม้ละ1 บาท เป็น insides of pork.
I don't want that.
No, I don't want that too. But this is how they eat here. You see? So people just pick up and then they're just counting the steak. It's quite cool.
I definitely don't want that. Try things that we don't normally try in Bangkok, but I'm not in the mood for organs or giblets or intestines.
It's organs, so มันเป็นเครื่องในเนาะ Okay, that's it.
That's the whole walking street. Jesus.
That's the whole walking street.
That's really not even a bar.
ก็ไม่มีอะไรเลย
This is like the only walking street in Thailand that doesn't have a
Okay.
bar.
Oh, actually, after this we're gonna look for a bar
7-Eleven.
Yeah, if they have any bar. All right, to be continued, guys.
To be continued.
Okay, guys, so
We found a bar, so despite how quiet it is, people do still drink, even though there's not many people in there. Let's have a look.
to at least have pool table.
It does have a pool table.
It's called the Dog House.
Oh, there's music.
Okay.
Hello.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hi hi สวัสดีค่ะ Okay, so Dog House, pool table. A bit surprising.
You make your video, I'm going to get drinks.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, cool. Look at this. This is really cool.
We
Okay.
just got here, like just missed the rain, so we were really lucky.
Yeah. Oh.
What do you want? What do you want? Okay,
There's a dog.
go see the dog. What do you want first?
Hi. Hello. That's a dog house. Look at all this. Okay, so you can actually adopt all of these cute little dogs here. Oh, look. Or you can sponsor them. If you don't have place for them to stay, you can sponsor them. Oh, so cute. Look. Yeah, they're going to sponsor or adopt the dogs. That's so cute. Alright, what about we ask her if we can adopt this one? Okay, I'm gonna go drink now, guys. So, see you later.